Welcome to the top best. The best craft cabinet is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any crafter. It's designed to keep all your supplies organized and within easy reach. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, a good craft cabinet can transform your workspace from chaotic to calm, making your crafting experience more enjoyable and efficient. So, let's dive in and explore what makes a great craft cabinet. Number 5. Sauder HomePlus Soft White Storage Cabinet. Tired of clutter? This cabinet is designed to solve your storage problems. It features adjustable shelves, making it perfect for any room in your home. Inside, you'll find a fixed shelf and 2 adjustable shelves. This allows you to customize the space for pantry items, craft supplies, or anything else you need to store. Everything will have its place. This cabinet is ideal for any room in your home. Whether it's the laundry room, bathroom, or home office, it enhances organization and accessibility in your daily life. Finished in soft white, this cabinet offers a bright, clean look. It adds a contemporary touch to your decor, blending effortlessly with various styles. Built with quality materials, this cabinet is designed to last. It also features adjustable base levelers for stability on uneven floors. With dimensions of L, 35.35xw, 17.09xh, 71.22, this cabinet offers ample storage without taking up too much space. It's a great addition to any home. What we like? This cabinet features adjustable shelves, perfect for customizing your storage. Its versatile design allows it to fit seamlessly into any room, enhancing organization. If you are looking for a storage solution that combines functionality with a modern aesthetic, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value both style and practicality in their home organization. What people say? Has a beautiful contemporary style. Lots of storage, perfect for a pantry cabinet. Sturdy, stands up well, you can adjust the legs on each side if needed. Number 4. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. This versatile table offers ample storage with pegs, trays, and shelves. It provides a dedicated space for all your crafting supplies, making it easy to create fashion pieces. It keeps everything organized and within reach. This station is perfect for tailoring clothes or other crafts. It can also be used as a convenient work desk. It's a flexible solution for all your creative needs. With its wheels, it's easy to move this table to any convenient spot. When not in use, it folds up into a compact side table. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any space. When you're finished crafting, simply tuck away your supplies and close it. It transforms into a stylish side table that complements any room. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Built with MDF wood, metal hinges, and lockable wheels, it ensures a wobble-free experience. Magnetic door locks keep your supplies secure. It's designed for stability and convenience. What we like? This craft station offers a unique folding design, making it ideal for small spaces. It provides multiple storage options, including pegs, trays, and shelves, to keep your supplies organized. If you like to have a dedicated crafting area that can be easily tucked away when not in use, this is the perfect solution. It's great for those who need flexibility and space-saving convenience. What people say? It has plenty of storage with the side compartments, and the folding design makes it super convenient for saving space when not in use. The surface is sturdy enough for my sewing machine, and I also use it for crafting and other projects. Assembly was straightforward, and once set up, it looks neat and modern. Number 3. Arteza 16-Drawer Organizer Cabinet. This compact organizer cabinet is perfect for keeping small supplies tidy and visible. It's great for your desk, vanity, craft table, or workbench. Each drawer includes removable dividers, allowing you to create sections that fit your needs. You can easily sort various items without mixing them together. The transparent design lets you find items at a glance, saving you time. You can also add labels or stickers for fast identification. Made from sturdy, high-impact plastic, these drawers slide easily and have built-in stoppers. It's lightweight yet strong, and the cabinet stacks securely. Trusted by artists and DIYers, this versatile storage solution keeps your space clutter-free and efficient. It can be an art supply station, office organizer, or small parts cabinet. What we like. This organizer features 16 clear drawers, perfect for easy visibility and access to your items. The adjustable compartments allow you to customize the storage to fit your needs. If you are a crafter, teacher, or someone who loves to stay organized, this cabinet is a must-have. It's designed to keep your space clutter-free and efficient. What people say. Great for storing my crafting markers. Made well and the drawers move smoothly. Just the right size. I love how you can label all the drawers, but the fact that those labels are protected by plastic and can be switched out is even better. I love the dividers to allow for subcategories within a category. The drawers are clear and easy to see inside. There are labels that can be written on and easy to insert so you know what is inside if you like labeling. Each drawer has a backstop so it doesn't fly out in your hand when opening them. The individual drawers are long enough to put new pencils, pens, etc. in them, around 7-inch, and there are dividers that you can slide into each drawer if you want to store smaller items. Number 2. VASAGLE UBBC 671W01 53.5-inch tall storage cabinet. Need more storage? This cabinet has 2 large cabinets and 6 door shelves. It fits everything from food to kitchen appliances, keeping your space tidy. Maximize space with 6 door shelves. The top 2 shelves are perfect for smaller items like spices. Everything is easy to find and access. This cabinet includes 2 adjustable shelves. You can adjust them to 5 different heights. It allows you to store items of varying sizes. Made with quality MDF and sturdy hinges, this cabinet is built to last. An anti-tip kit is included for added safety, securing it to the wall. With its farmhouse style, this cabinet fits anywhere. It can be used in your kitchen, dining room, bathroom, or study. It brings both style and order. Assembly is simple with numbered parts and easy-to-read instructions. You can finish assembling this storage cabinet quickly. It saves you time and energy. What we like. This pantry cabinet offers a huge storage capacity with 2 large cabinets and door shelves. It includes adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the space for items of different heights. If you have a lot of kitchen items or need extra storage for your living room, this cabinet is perfect for you. It's designed to maximize space and keep everything organized. What people say. Stores all of our small appliances. The shelves are adjustable. Adds so much storage to my kitchen. Very sturdy and nice finish that doesn't scratch easily. Great deal. Number 1. Sauder White Storage Cabinet. Looking for a stylish way to solve your storage needs? This double-door cabinet offers a versatile solution for any room. It's perfect for keeping your space organized and clutter-free. The cabinet features adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. Whether you're storing pantry items or craft supplies, it has a place for everything. This cabinet is ideal for multiple rooms, including the living room, bathroom, or utility room. It helps you maintain an organized and functional space wherever you need it most. With its bright and neutral white finish, the cabinet complements any decor style. It adds a touch of modern elegance to your home, enhancing the overall look of your space. Built to last, this cabinet is crafted for durability and smooth operation. It's also easy to assemble, making it a reliable addition to your home for years to come. Designed for quick and straightforward assembly, you can enjoy your new storage solution in no time. It's a convenient and practical choice for any home. What we like. This storage cabinet features adjustable shelves, providing versatile storage options. Its elegant white finish complements any decor style, adding a touch of modern elegance. If you are looking for a stylish and functional storage solution for your home office, pantry, or craft room, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to provide both style and practicality. What people say. Had arrived with no damages. It does look very nice. The doors latch at the bottom with magnets. There is lots of room inside for storage, and I like the adjustable shelves. They are sturdy and relatively easy to assemble. The molding trim on the doors gives them more of a custom look than your average white, assembled, particle board cabinet. The handles are a brushed chrome finish and the hinges are heavy-duty as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.